We went on a vacation to Florida. Before we left, I had been using this. My heels and my feet felt great and they've been really good. We went on our trip. I didn't take it with me. And then we came back and immediately, just with the dry weather, I had a huge deep crack in my heel and super painful. And within, 2 days, the crack started to heal, and really the balm is what really helps that dryness and get in there to help it heal. I mean, my feet were back on track and feeling a lot better again.